Today in lesson 15, we did more on box and whisker plots. So here's a dot plot of the estimates of the times it took students in Mr. S's class to get to school one morning. This is a lot of dots, it's a lot of numbers, but you have to go back to the purpose of why you're actually learning a box and a whisker plot. It's to be able to visually see the range and distribution of a large amount of numbers. So hence, here's a problem with a large number of numbers. So I am going to list out all of the data points. Sometimes you might run into not having enough room on your page, so I just kind of extend it down. Okay, now the data is ordered from least to greatest, okay? It does take a lot of time. One thing I would do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I'd count the number of dots. And I'd make sure, sorry my email's popping up here, I would make sure that you have 27 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, beautiful. You have a 5-point summary that you need to find in order to make a box and whisker pot. Lower extreme, upper extreme. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Okay? Our lower extreme is 5. Our upper extreme is 60. In order to find Q1, 2, and 3, you have to start with Q2. This is a lot of numbers to go left and right with. So here's what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. Since it's an odd number, I know I'm only going to have one middle in my set of data. So I just crossed out 13 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Beautiful. I have one median. Q2 is 15. Now I'm going to find the middle of my lower quartile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It works good to work with bigger crossouts on both sides with a larger set of data. 1, 2, Q1 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My Q3 is going to be 25. I feel like the hardest thing with making your own box and whisker plot isn't the 5-point summary. I think it is numbering your number line. Okay, my numbers range from 5 to 60. Okay, that's beautiful. I'm going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and I'm going to switch 60 to right here so it's not skewed over here. Okay? Now I'm going to make my box and whisker plot. I'm going to put my lower extreme at 5, my upper extreme at 60. I'm going to make my vertical lines at where I approximately think 8 is, where I think 15 is, and where I think 25 is. There are my boxes, and here are my whiskers. The variability in my upper quartile here is huge, okay? Or my Q4, the largest quartile here. It's got a lot of variability because the line is very long. I have low variability on the bottom 50% of my data. The line is very short and the box is very close together. What I'm going to do is throw up a couple of educanon questions about box and whisker plots. And then I have a homework assignment for you to bring to class on Monday. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend.